Darben. I'm founder and CEO of VehicleCare. We are an AI tech-enabled auto service platform. Since we began our journey from last 2 years, we are completely bootstrapped with an ARR of around 24 crore, and we were PAT positive last financial year with a net revenue of 3.5 crore, and the total profit from last financial year for the vehicle is around 10 lakh rupees. So the problem in the auto industry is again, which is the very big industry, is around $15 billion industry in auto repair and service segment, which is the issue is facing by all the stakeholders, whether it's car owner, car rental companies, car leasing companies, insurer or broker, is trust, transparency, and convenience. We are solving this problem by building AI and ML enabled tech solution platform, by which we are providing customers, rental companies, leasing companies, insurance broker a data-driven decision-making power to enhance the trust and transparency in the ecosystem. At present, we are working with all the major car rental companies, car leasing companies, pre-owned selling car companies like Car24, Car Dekho, and OLX Auto, the Spinny, and insurance companies like Oriental, HDFC Ergo, Tata AIG, and also we are working with insurance brokers like Policy Bazaar, CoverFox, StartupLanes, Insurance Dekho, and Renewai, and 45 plus more broker. Currently, we are raising $2 million round, from which we have already a hard commitment of $1 million from Total Energies, which is again an oil major from France. To raise another 1 million, we are seeking your help as an investor. Please come and join our journey, and let's make people's life easy. Thank you.